The upper retreat where we're going to take a look at the road, the new piece of road. Talk to me, what you say now?
Road that come to come.
See exactly what I go on the road. Let me know where I go on, my loyal subscriber.
Good, man. Everything good.
Everything you know.
Yeah,
and also you would do a better job when it comes to the drain system.
But when the rain start to fall, right?
Yeah.
And the water run.
Right.
Where it go? Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big super there. Up at Alexandra. Yeah. We have little weather. People, but we are pushing on with the upper retreat in the vicinity where we're going to take a look at the road, the new piece of road where Smith asphalt pave. Some viewers and sub, as you can see, a smooth sailing upper retreat, Alexandra. And we just a walk on the little stretch of it. Yeah man. It look nice and clean. And we wasn't around yesterday to catch it when time it pave, but nonetheless, vehicle them a fly like kite and all people. You can look at them. We have a little weather system. We have weather system in the air, people. Just be mindful that we have a weather system. Motorists, what go on? Where you want to say about the road there now? It a come, hold on, talk to me. What you say now?
Road that come to come.
It a come to come. Them continue same way. Everything we okay. Alright, blessing. So the motorists say the road a come to come, people. See it there from up at the bridge. From up at the bridge, people. Going all back in this direction. And Big Super just have to make a walk on the brand new clean asphalting. Make you guys see exactly what go on the road. Make you see how the traffic them are dealing with it now. And we're happy to tell you now, yeah rider. We're happy to tell you that this section of the road here, complete, Whitehead and him crew. Me never there yesterday, but me hear somebody say a Smith asphalt. I mean know them did aisle it, so me suspect say them come finish it up. And it look cool. And me I tell the motorists them now, please nobody fly like kite. You understand me? Rain a come. We have a rainy season. People right there on the back of us. Me look on the internet and me see one storm out of sea. I look in the Jamaica. But when them say name tropical storm Philip, yeah, farm in the Atlantic. So me see one storm out in the Atlantic. We have either way people are above our head, you know, really a threat. But we have to try to be careful with the storm out there. Time and temperature check. Today the 25th. Yeah, my viewers and sub. September. Monday the 25th. Yeah. So one of my loyal subscribers, yeah. And if me stop. One of my loyal subscriber people. I'm going to talk to him on the water truck. He might give me some update on the road. Let me know where I go on, my loyal subscriber.
Good, everything good.
Everything you know. And it come on good now.
Yeah, I broke no spring and all.
You know broke no spring again. Alright, one love. So, my viewers and sub, my loyal subscriber say, it a come on good now and it now broke what? No spring. So I go back again to time and temperature. Yeah, my viewers and sub. 10:24 a.m. in the morning, Monday, September the 25th. My viewers and sub, Big Super is out here, upper retreat in the vicinity of Alexandra. Vehicle now start to move a little faster. But I ask the motoring public, please, no bother with the speeding. Do me I tell you now. Just take it easy. Now when you come to the nice, clean, pretty road, nobody broke on the neck. Just take on the time, Just take on the time, because we don't want no fatality. So, we're here to tell you people that we also have a weather system out in the Atlantic Ocean farm. I don't see it as a threat to Jamaica, because the way above where we were there. But you know, when weather system, water go dash, left, right, and center people. And my viewers and so we are come up to the intersection where the jungle. Remember the elderly man that talk to me and tell me say it look a way if you see them come and do the road and them don't even touch out them little pieces. So my viewers and sub, me here to tell you now that them do one little thing on the little piece, them do that piece up in there so and right in a little corner there so, but me feel them could do a better piece. I don't know what you think. We feel them could do a better piece on the front. So, I see a young lady here, and I'm going to ask her opinion. Good morning, nice lady. We are scrutinize the road and we are look on the roadway and the condition. My name is Big Super, the blogger. And then do the road and the road look nice and pretty, right?
The one to the corners them.
Last week, when we pass here, I look at old man stand up right or so.
And a cross drain where the water run when the rain fall.
You know, I carry the camera around for you. You know, so you would have do a better job when it comes to the drain system.
But where there, when the rain start to fall, right?
Yeah.
And the water run.
Right.
Where it go?
Yeah,
Where it go? It's not somewhere if you collect it and it run go on somewhere.
You know, so me that talk to Whitehead, the guy where supervise the asphalt, and him said the same thing to me. Say, he said we have to focus on the gully and the drain.
Yeah, you know, in a draining system, so it go, if the water full up down there, so it
Yeah.
will end up full up down there and come back on the road and soak it and dig it up back again.
And the thing will end up gone back a square
go
one.
back a square one, so that makes sense.
So it come like it don't make sense.
That makes
So,
sense. If you have cross drain,
Yeah.
if you collect the water, the road is there, so the cross drain go straight along,
Yeah.
and let's send off the water somewhere, whether in a culvert or something like that.
Yeah, me
You can't
understand.
just build it and left it, so it
Yeah.
will go back to where
And,
it was.
and me believe them should have made the drain first.
Yes.
Before
and
they
then
make the
set
road. Yes, Indian. Yeah. So, what you would say? Is a poor job or
It's poor to me.
Yeah.
It's poor. 'Cause all along me I look and me no see no away from here so alone.
Yeah.
Even so me no see no way for the
the
what they call
water?
the curve and channel.
Yeah,
then, let me
yeah.
say that.
Because
Me no see no
it's
curve
a
and
further
channel
down
in
the road.
water.
It's a further down the road to the left side here. Them dig out one section, you know. I don't know if you know them dig out. You can't see it there behind the bush, you know.
Yeah.
But they don't complete it. They don't dig it out and leave it.
It no make sense.
Yeah,
It
you know.
don't make sense.
Yeah.
Sooner or later then still have to come back again and they want to do the same thing.
And at that, we
And
know.
we suffer.
Yeah, the public are going to suffer because we have to go pay out our pocket
Of course.
to go
we
redo
suffer.
the whole thing again. But so far, what go on, my brethren?
Come back, you know.
Them a come back.
Yeah, come here, the youth just and the youth show me flex and them say.
Yeah,
And then after them we start from, you know, them we start from Prospect.
yeah.
Because them go do from Prospect stretch, you know.
Yeah.
To come back eat and get the next blood clot coat. You understand what I mean?
Yeah. So what I say now, the lady said she said the drain. No drain, we take the water.
Well, that's how I go on, because you see this man will get that.
Yeah.
He just get that piece of road there now.
Yeah.
From that way there.
Yeah.
We just get the next quote. So the man might come after you know, come put in there something there. I
Yeah.
can do the curb and channel and away.
Okay, and then time the second court now after that done.
No, the last quarter will come and I see them do that, but they said they come put in and drain and then city.
Okay.
understand what I mean?
Yeah, me
And that's
understand.
everything in our
So
one blood
when them do that section of the road, I know them just alleviate the traffic for the time being.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then not to reach up man can. And the man from Cedar Valley get this here.
Yeah.
And then get the last quarter put on from the blue my
Yeah.
the roundabout.
Whitehead.
Whitehead.
Yeah,
And
Smith
Whitehead there every day.
asphalt.
Yes, and there every day.
Yeah, and he might work damn good.
Him are the man.
Yeah.
Kind of look on this yesterday. Kind of say, he might tell the man, son, this is not go yet. Kind of just come in and piece and done.
Yeah. And in so them
Yeah, them kind of pick up your
yeah, them kind of make the entrance so now. We can show you because look at old man that complain with you when we pass through. And me like how them come through now and make the entrance, then give it a look. So you can come in the scheme now in Alexandria and you have to drop in on a patrol. Respect here, Star.
Yeah, man.
And me walk around the further. Thanks here and have yourself a wonderful day. Alright? Yeah, man. So my viewers and sub, we're there and we are scrutinize them. Come right to the section now where them stop. Them stop right in the vicinity here, people. So remember, people, if you like, share and subscribe and let me know, fill up the comment section and let me know what you think about this piece of road with asphalt out a retreat, up a retreat, Alexandria, near to Cesspool. Big Super saying, peace out, people, peace out.